Hi, in this video I will explain how to install Waydroid correctly in Linux. Before you start installing Waydroid, make sure you are using a Wayland session. I am using Pop! OS, so I first need to enable Wayland. Open your terminal and edit the file shown on the screen. I am using Nano, but you can use any editor you like. Find the line that says Wayland Enable and change it to True. Save the file, exit the editor, restart your system, and select Wayland from the login screen. Before installing Waydroid, update and upgrade your system. Then enter the commands you see on the screen one by one. You can find all these commands in the GitHub repo link in the description. If the Waydroid init command shows an error, you need to enable the binder and Ashman modules with the given commands, then try Waydroid init again. This command downloads the Lineage OS image and may take some time. Once the download is done, enable firewall ports 67 and 53 and enable the Waydroid container. After that, restart your system. Now you can run the Waydroid GUI from your menu. To sign in to Google Play, you need to get your device certified by Google. Open the terminal on your host machine, enter the Waydroid shell, and copy-paste the long command shown on the screen to get your device ID. Go to Google's Android Uncertified page and submit your device ID there. It may take 30 minutes to an hour for verification. Once your device is certified, you should be able to log in to Google Play. Even after certification, you might not see enough apps or games unless you enable ARM support. To do that, enter the commands shown on the screen. From my experience, I have been able to play Free Fire using an x86 APK. Games like Shadow Fight and Among Us work well with Auto Keymapper, while Clash of Clans and Art of War 3 work perfectly without any keymapper. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel to support us.